fly, fly, Super Mutlu! I can't believe it. Wow, I actually flew!
Are you okay, Mutlu? It looked like you fell.
No, I was flying. Newspapers!
Oh dear, I think he hit his head really hard.
I think you need to lie down.
Wait, let me go. Don't stop the hero. I'm on an undercover mission.
A mission?
Mommy!
What is it, dear?
Today is the 25th, and it's Dad's birthday.
Oh, how did we forget? I wanted to surprise your dad this year. Do you think that he noticed?
Don't worry, Mommy. I've got a plan. Mutlu will take the newspaper before Dad reads it. So he won't see today's date and remember that he forgot.
Uh-huh. Then we can plan a surprise for him after all. Yes, he definitely shouldn't see the date.
We need to hide these right away as well.
None of this will do.
The kitchen's gotten so hot. What do we do?
Wait, I better take care of the cake.
We need your help.
Of course, Manny. What's the problem?
One of my boots is not functioning. I think the heel's coming off. You think you can fix it?
Mutlu, what are you doing?
Every hero has a mysterious side, Dad. Fly, fly!
Did you take care of that?
Super Mutlu has accomplished a dangerous task once again. There was never any doubt. The evilness has been vanquished.
You are a real hero, Super Mutlu. Mom already should have ordered a cake from the bakery. I'm going to call Zuzu now. She can pick it up on the way. Dad wouldn't suspect her of anything.
Neşe, dear, don't forget Dad's phone. It's in his study. He can see the date on it as well.
Ah, yes, his phone. This is just a task for Super Mutlu. I'll handle it, Mom. Fly, fly!